Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. These tools will help you navigate the delicate components of your ASUS GU603Z without causing any damage. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, flip the laptop over to access the base. You will notice several screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using your plastic spudger. Take your time with this step to avoid breaking any clips. With the back panel off, you will see the internal components of your laptop. It's a good idea to clean any dust or debris you find inside, as this can help improve the overall performance of your device. Now locate the keyboard connector on the motherboard. This is typically a flat ribbon cable that connects the keyboard to the laptop. Carefully disconnect this cable by lifting the locking mechanism. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have the support you need. With the keyboard cable disconnected, you can now remove the keyboard itself. There are usually a few screws securing it in place, which you will need to remove. Keep these screws organized, as you will need them for the new keyboard. Once the screws are out, gently lift the keyboard from its position. Be cautious, as there may be additional clips holding it in place. Now, take your new keyboard and align it with the mounting points. Press down gently until you hear a click, indicating that it is securely in place. Reconnect the keyboard cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is firmly seated in the connector. If you're unsure about any of these steps, remember we provide collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. After reconnecting the keyboard, replace the screws you previously removed to secure it in place. Once everything is tightened, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until it clicks into place. Finally, replace the screws on the back panel to ensure everything is secure. Before powering on your laptop, take a moment to double-check that all connections are secure and that no tools are left inside the laptop. Now, flip your laptop back over and power it on. Test the new keyboard to ensure all keys are functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we offer a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision about any further assistance you may need. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the keyboard on your ASUS GU603Z. This process not only saves you money, but also gives you a sense of accomplishment. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more technical tutorials. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.